now.
What does it really take to raise confident, emotionally resilient children in a world that's changing faster than ever? As AI reshapes education, careers, and even mental health, understanding ourselves and those we care about has never been more important. Welcome to From Chaos to Clarity. I am Ashwini Walia. My first guest, Tripti Sharma, founder of Unmasking Minds, a counseling and organizational psychologist, certified expressive art therapist, relationship expert, and a corporate coach who has conducted over 500 workshops for organizations such as Wipro, Barclays, Samsung, and Apollo. In this conversation, we explore parenting, emotional intelligence, AI's role in mental health, psychometric assessments, career clarity, and what it truly means to thrive in an AI-driven world. If you are a parent, student, educator, or professional looking for practical insights backed by real-world experiences, this episode is for you. Let's get started.